Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Mukta ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. How are you all?
Good evening.
Fine,
Welcome.
ma'am.
Uh, Thanks for joining. Welcome to the first session of GEG Ghaziabad. This session will be recorded, and I'll be sharing the recording after the session or till tomorrow morning with all of you who has registered with me on your email IDs. All the sessions will be recorded, and the recordings will be sent on your registered email ID with which you have registered with the session. So I'm just starting the recording. Just give me a moment and then I'll start. So it's already 5:02, and once again I welcome all of you to my first session. The recording have on, and now I am just starting my session. This is a session on Jamboard. The Jamboard is known as the collaborating tool. It We can ask our students to work into collaboration through this Jamboard, and I'll be showing you how to do these options of Jamboard collaborating activity. I hope you will learn something new with this GG sessions. So once again, I'll just start my session with my introduction. I am Mukta Sablok, founder and leader of GG Ghaziabad and the certified educator from Google. Uh, Now, the very first thing is, what is a Jamboard? First of all, I would like to tell you why I have set this session in like this Google Meet is we can have it interactive so that you can ask your queries, you can ask your problems with me like while unmuting. So first we'll have the session, and in between I'll ask you to unmute if you have any problem, and you can very well discuss it with me. Okay, so the very first thing is, what does Jamboard? Google Jamboard, it's designed by Google. It's known as a digital whiteboard. We all are working with whiteboards in classes. Offline whiteboards, we have all worked on it. Now, what is the meaning of digital whiteboard? When we are working online, we know that we will be requiring digital whiteboard to write what, because without whiteboard, a teacher cannot have its classes, and effective classes cannot be there without a whiteboard or a blackboard. We say that teacher's life is with chalk and duster and board. Yes, I hope the teachers agree with me. If you have any queries, you can write it in your chat box. I'm looking the chat boxes also, and I'll help try to give all the answers of your questions. So Google Jamboard is a digital whiteboard. While we are teaching online, it gives us the platform to scribble, to write something, to inform anything. Every time we cannot create a presentation to show it to the students. That is why this digital whiteboard is. Now, it allows remote collaboration. What is the meaning of collaboration? Collaboration. Can anybody give me the any word which first comes to into your mind while taking your online classes? Collaboration. Why it is important? Anybody who can give me the answers in the chat box, please? Collaboration. Why collaboration is important in our online classes? Teachers, it's an interactive session, so you can just say something, then only it will be collaboration. I am just asking, my simple question is, what is the use of collaboration while we teach? Use of collaboration while we teach. No one? Work with each other and learn. Yes, very good. Okay, let me speak up a little bit of that's very good, that interactive session and works with each other and learn. Collaboration is, nowadays we all know that it's not that teaching is just like a teacher is speaking, as I have given you the option learn, unlearn, relearn. Very good, thank you, thank you. So it is that students can work together. Very well said, very well said. If when we are saying that I am giving you a option of collaboration tool, that means we want the students and teachers to work together. That is the basic purpose of having my this session of Jamboard, as I have chosen it as my first session, so that this is the first thing which we have to learn as an online tool. Now, teachers, there are many things, many tools which can be used. So it is one of them. I will not say that it is the only tool through which you can collaborate, but this is one of them. I am using it. I feel it that this is the great tool with many good functionalities. Somebody raised hand. Vanna ma'am, you have raised hand. If do you want to ask anything? Please, you can ask. Vanna ma'am, you have raised hand. You want to ask anything?
Actually, I was not able to type now, so I was just sharing. It's the easiest way of connecting with the students. We can
Okay.
interact with them simultaneously.
Thank you, Vanna ma'am. Thanks a lot. And
Okay, ma'am.
good afternoon, Ram sir. Ram sir is there. He has joined here from Nepal, and he is my well known. And thank you sir for joining. Like, I really appreciate that he has joined my this session from Nepal. Uh, okay, now thank you, Vanna ma'am. Now the third thing is we can save our work as to Google Drive. It's not only that we are working, we are collaborating. We are working, we are collaborating as an online tool, but after our class, we can save it in our Google Drive also, like it is automatically saved. We can insert it and download it as a PDF or as an image file. So these are the things which we can do. Now let's see how to do these things. It is that reasons to use Google Jamboard. Why we should use Google Jamboard? I'm so sorry, why Google Jamboard is used. So these are certain annotations tools or certain things which I would like to tell you the uses of Jamboard which you can use as an I will be working with each and every tool and hands-on experience we will be exploring. Now the first and the foremost use is Jamboard offers variety of easy to use editing and annotations features. Annotation feature. What is the meaning of annotation? We want to, whenever we are teaching, we want to scribble. So Jamboard has an annotation feature. Now I would like to show you what is this annotation feature practically. So I'm just opening Google Jamboard so that simultaneously you will have the hands-on experience. So this is my Jamboard, and we will just type here jamboard.google.com. You can open a new Jamboard. I have just clicked send you. the link with which you can open a new Jamboard. But right now we will not work on new Jamboard. We will be sharing the same Jamboard. So this is the plus icon. I'll click over the plus icon to have a new Jamboard. This is with my profile ID, like whatever Gmail ID I have connected it. This is the Jamboard which is there in my Gmail ID. If you want to change the Gmail ID, you can change it by clicking on the profile pic, and whatever Gmail ID with which you want to join, you can join it. The link I have shared is for opening a new Jamboard, but we will not work on the new Jamboard. We will work on us simultaneously on this Jamboard. Okay, now scribbling, as I have told you that annotations and scribbling features are there. Here we have on the left hand panel, we have different things with which we can annote. Annote is, first of all, we have a pen of different thickness, brushes, and these are different colors with which you can annote. Let's suppose I am just choosing my this pen and scribbling an M. This is my name. I can just write. You can ask small students to just scribble it. This I'm writing with mouse. We have different thickness of this, different colors of it. You can ask the students to do freehand drawing if we are working with small kids. So this is the annotation features. This is the annotation features, highlighted features. You can give any image and then you can ask them. Yes, it will, like Jamboard is open in your Gmail account. There is a question, teachers, I'm just talking about that question, that there is a question which says that can we open Jamboard on Zoom Meet? Yes, because it is in your Google, it is connected with your like a Google account. You open it and you share the screen in Zoom Meet also. Now this is the second option is for the eraser. Students do scribbling, and as a teacher we need to scribble it also, to erase it also. And remember, students, small kids love to scribble when you go. We have seen it in our daily life. जब हम class में पढ़ाते थे तब भी बच्चे are like that कि whenever a teacher is not there, they used to come to the blackboard, to the green board, and they used to do it, write it something with a pen, with a white pen, or with a chalk. They have the habit of, small kids particularly. So this whiteboard will give them the option of scribbling while taking your online classes. I hope this is like clear to all of you. Now we have this select option. I need to select anything. This is the select option. This is the sticky note. Sticky note is, I have asked you to, like, to my students to write something, and I want them to type their name. So we can have a sticky note, like I have clicked over the sticky note and I have just written GEG Ghaziabad. That's my, and I'll just click over it. So that's my sticky note. And I know that whatever I am writing, I will do it. This is with my name. The next option says image. This is a very beautiful option. You can add any image to your Jamboard. You can upload it from your mobile, from your computer, from your desktop. You can even search it from Google. Let me show you how it is. This is an option. When we'll click over upload, we all know that we can browse the images from whatever, like I have many images. So if I am just saying that I'll just click over my this image. So this is a very interactive activity and students love it. Remember, students love it. The first session which I took is, I asked the students to just write their name. Yes, they will be open. It's possible to open it on mobile phone, but before that, they need to install Jamboard from Play Store. So, like in this way, we can ask the students to, and it's a very interactive activity, to have your name and your profile pic. So, I'm just telling you now how to share it so that at least Simultaneously, you all, whosoever wants to work, can work with me. This is a share option, and this is the share option. We can give anybody's, like I have Anubhuti ma'am is there, I have seen her, so I can give email ID with whom I want to share it. This is an option of only I want them to view or as an editor. So I, because I want my students to work on it, so I'll be giving editor option in that. Now we are not having students email ID. So what I will do is, I have just shared it with Anubhuti ma'am, and the next thing which I will do is, I will share it with a link. What is this link is, I have
Yes,
clicked
ma'am.
over here. I have clicked over here, and this is the link which appears. This is an open link with what anybody can join. I have, there are certain settings. I will not click over restricted, because first of all, the teachers who have joined are not from my domain. They are different teachers. So I will ask anybody with a link can join. Now I'll give you the editor permission. Done. And I'm pasting the link. Sorry, I will just, give me 1 minute. It's not copy link, and then I have pasted in the chat box. Whosoever wants to write something, that's an activity. The first activity of today's session is write your name, insert any of your image. If you'll insert your image, that would be great. So I'm just erasing the session. Please try. Here you will come to know that who all are joining. Like I have come to know 5 total viewers have already joined. You can write your name. Very good. A note. You can use sticky note. You can also use a text box. You can also use a text box to write. Freehand drawing, you can write properly with the mouse. Then freehand drawing, I'm very bad in that, so I don't try it. So very good, very good, very good. Good evening, Panna ma'am. So
Hi, good
please,
evening.
please start joining, start exploring this. You
Good
can
evening,
insert
ma'am.
any, you can insert any image you can insert, as I have inserted, and you can. So here comes our first interactive activity, which is there with the student, that you can ask them. Wow, wow, thank you. Somebody has inserted the picture. Kindly do not write anything. Kindly do not write anything. Vanda ma'am, please mute yourself. Vanda ma'am, please mute yourself. Vanda ma'am, please mute yourself. So this is, wow, what a beautiful character. So this is that students love it. You can ask. Now it is that
Yes,
this is
yes,
just
yes.
for fun. Now I'm just taking this as a new frame. You can clear this frame also, but I do not want to clear my this frame. I will create a new frame for you all. Now, yes, I have shared the jam. I will just share it once again.
Yeah, the link is not there. It's
Yeah, I have just shared it once again. I have shared it once again.
okay.
Okay, thank you. That emojis, and then you can take images. You can take images, add images from here. You can upload it from your phone, mobile, for your laptop, your desktop. You can upload it from there. So thank you. And somebody has changed the color of the jam also. That's great. Great. That's great. And sticky note always works for the students if we are doing activities such like that. Yes. Now here comes Untitled Jam. Yes, we have to install it, Jamboard from the Play Store. If we are working on mobile phone, yes, we need to install. Thank you. That's great. So we can have now, this is the frame option. I have opened the second frame. I want to see what the first frame is. I'll click over here and it shows me my first frame also and the second
Ma'am,
frame.
I was not able to insert a picture. Can you explain that again?
Yes, ma'am, sure. This is the image option, add image, and you can upload your images from either your mobile phone if you are working on. This is the image option, add image option. If you are working through laptop computers, you can just upload it, browse it. Otherwise, you can also search it from Google directly. You can upload it from Google Drive also if in your Google Drive images are there. I have my gig like this, and so I have just inserted it. Yes, so this is my logo. So I have inserted it from my Google Drive. It was in my Google Drive. And I can resize it. We can ask our students to always resize it. Again, frame options. So I hope, ma'am, you have been able to upload it now. Yes. Now the next point comes untitled jam. This means we have not given a name to our jam. We want it to be named. So I have just clicked over here and we will give here Jamboard interactive session or whatever you want to give a name, and you can also rename it afterwards if you want. And today is, I have written here 31st July 2021. So this comes the name. Fine, this is the name. Now the next option comes is, I have opened the chat box. Any questions? Yes, Safia ma'am, definitely. I'll just repeat it. Now this is the text box option. I'm just taking a new frame. This is the text box option, and I can insert here text box. I prefer to use text box because scribbling, I don't do like scribbling. So I used to do like text box insertion, and I will write here collaborative activity. Whatever you want to give, the heading, whatever we are doing. So arrow is just to move it. Arrow is just to move your text box from one place to another, or if you have inserted the images, that's for the use of arrow. Fine. Now the next says, yes, ma'am, it is very difficult, but that's why we have a text box option here. That's why we have a text box option, so that you can write it from you can type it from the keyboard. Yes. Now, the next option for maths teacher is drawing. Certain shapes are there which are inbuilt. It has, the free version has, yes, Safia ma'am, yeah, the students can use it. The students can use it. This, now, these are the free version. This is, we are using the free version. It has ample of tools and techniques. So like, I have not used the paid version, but paid version has more facilities. Like we have the free version has these much of shapes only, so paid version must be having more, like it has more of shapes, more of coloring option like that. So this is, we can use, somebody has made this as a student. Now you are working as a student. Yes, we can use it as a whiteboard. We can use it as a whiteboard. You can use it whiteboard, and you can either use a text box to write it. You can even change the handwriting as we are writing it, title. And now the best part is you can even change the color of it. But there are, yes, inbuilt colors are fewer. Set background. This is the background which I have put. This is set background color, which I have put. Now, for maths teachers, this is your graphic page. You can take this page and then you can draw lines, or you can draw a mm, triangle showing them like this. And you can also ask the students to draw line, straight line with the help of pen highlighter like this. I'm very bad in this. So yes, yes, definitely. I'll be teaching very good, very good. Some maths teacher is making the freehand um, like triangle. Yes. So in this way, and whatever the students are giving, you can give extra jams to the students, and whatever all the students are doing, you can see here in frames. All the frames are available here. All the frames are available here. Those whatever whosoever is doing it.
How did you come to the graph?
Yes, ma'am. Just one second. Let me show you once again the graph. This is, ma'am, I'm just opening. This is set background,
Okay.
background, and this is, we have a graph page.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Now, next option is, as we are setting our backgrounds, we have upload image option also. Upload image. I do not want these chalk and white blackboard or a blue board, because the free version has only these photos. I will take an image from Google as a background. So I'll search here background images, and I can have my background. Just double click over here. It's as simple as anything. This is your background. This is not in your image. This cannot be moved. Ma'am, whiteboard 5 has a few different options. These
Ma'am,
are,
I have one question.
yes, ma'am, ma'am. Ma'am, just a moment. Safia, ma'am, whiteboard 5 has
Yes, ma'am.
a few other options. It is, whiteboard 5 is also the like whiteboard. It works like whiteboard board. It has certain other options. This Jamboard has different few other options. So we cannot compare both the tools.
Okay.
But we will be having the whiteboard 5 session also in our GG. Yes, Vanna ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So,
Thank you.
ma'am, I just have one question, that I am designing e-messages also. So,
Yes.
can we design such kind of messages using these background?
Yes, definitely. Why not? Why not? Now,
Okay.
once we have done all these activities, what's there?
Okay.
This is the option of these three options.
Okay.
You want to rename, you can rename it. You want to download as a PDF. PDF means that all frames will work together and have one, you can have one PDF, whatever your students have done. Okay. You can save one particular frame as image also, and it will all be saved in your as JPG, as PNG format. You can remove the jam, which I'll not do right now. Yes, I'll just go to sticky note once again. We can make a copy of our jam also, and these are the help options. Fine. Fine. So most of the teachers, sorry, I'm saying students, teachers are asking for the the sticky note. Oh my God! Wow, wonderful! Somebody has made this. So this is this now the sticky note comes out to be. So see as how we are. I'll just teachers, yes, and I'm very glad that you all are behaving like kids and you are exploring. Thanks a lot for exploring. See that then only you will come to know all the options when you will go. Now this is sticky note. One question says that what is how to the use of sticky note. This is sticky note, and this will click. These are certain colors which we can use in the free versions of sticky notes. And I can just write, I'm just writing my name, enough of GG Gazeba. So I'm just writing my name as we want our students No, Abhi, in the free version it doesn't have. In the free version, superscript, subscript options is not there till now. But every day, these things are coming up and updations are coming up. So maybe in our next thing, it will come. So this is my name. Now I can duplicate it.
Ma'am,
Now
as we
what,
move to the next board, does it not allow us to add anything to the previous board? Is that what happens?
ma'am? Actually, which board I am working?
That board only. So because
Yes.
I tried inserting on the board that we all had joined, I'm not
Yes,
able to
yes.
insert a picture anymore.
Yes.
Hmm.
So this is when, if you can just, you ask the students to do it as a homework, or we can assign. Now, why I have written this duplicate? I have done this duplicate. Now I want my students to write it something. So I have given the option of, sorry, I have given the option of roll number one. But roll number one will write here, roll number two will write here, or you can either write their names. That's up to you how you use it. Roll number two writes here, roll number three writes here. So this, for smaller kids, you can give. For students, those who are big enough to do it, you can ask them to insert their sticky notes and do their write their names. So I hope I am very well clear till here. If I want to delete something, I can delete it very well. Yes. Now going back to my this presentation. So we have seen all these sticky annotations. So now let's go ahead of this. Stock backgrounds for a variety of purposes. I have already showed you backgrounds. We'll move ahead. Now, sharing permissions. That also I have showed you that it allows you to share your Jamboard. This is accessibility and cloud storage. Cloud storage means it is downloadable functions. Also, I have told you, you can download it as a PDF. And what is the meaning of cloud storage? That it's stored in your Google Drive. Okay, and there you, if you want to share it with your students, you can send them as an email or whatever you wanted. Images can be inserted directly from Google. That also I have very well explained to you. Any questions still here? Any questions still here? No.
Ma'am, how many pages can we have?
See, I am working with the strength of 40-45 students and it is allowing me. So that much, and Google has not anywhere justified that you can only insert 100 pages or 1000 pages. Like we have not got any of that function.
Mukta ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
you're saying you are working with 40 students, and if we allot a particular space to some, say, 5 students on one board, can we, in advance, can we create such boards?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just showing. I'm going there only. I'm going there only.
And
Yes.
one more thing, you
sorry,
told
yes.
you. I know that you answered my question whether
Yes, ma'am.
it can be attached with Zoom, but due to some connectivity problem,
Okay,
I
ma'am.
could not hear the solution.
It's okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you can on jamboard.com, as I have switched it on by jamboard.google.com. Then you start working on, like you open your Zoom class.
Okay,
And then you share screen. Yes, as simple as that. We can share anything. Yes.
Thank you.
You can share your entire screen. You can share your like whatever. However, that Google is not saying to use it with Google Meet only. Yes.
Mamta
Yes,
ma'am,
Shalini
I'm
ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
Shalini ma'am.
please. I have a query. Can we write superscript and subscript while writing chemical
No,
equation?
ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Sorry, I have answered your question. Maybe you have not
I
heard.
can see that.
I have answered your question. No, ma'am.
Okay.
Right now, the feature is not there in the free version.
Okay, ma'am. And if at all we are using this Jamboard on any other application on like we have Topper OS, our school is operating on Topper OS. So it
Okay.
is feasible to share on it?
Sorry,
Like
I'm not. Yes,
It
ma'am.
can be shared on any other platform.
Are there any other
We have different
video
platforms.
conferencing platform?
No, ma'am. Like we have a Topper OS platform on which we take our classes.
Yes,
So
ma'am, sure. Because the link is there, you can share link in anywhere. You can send them
oh,
as email. You can upload wherever you are sending your link. You can send it. You can send across.
thank you so
No
much. You are
issues in
doing
that.
a
No,
wonderful
no
job.
issues in this. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Now I am just telling you that. Now I'm just telling you few options I have taken, uh, like from my daily life, as I am using, or I thought of. Teachers must be will use it to get you an idea of how you can use it in your day-to-day life or day-to-day teaching strategies. So I'm going ahead. Somebody, yes, Shalini ma'am, please. Shalini ma'am, you have raised your hand, Shalini ma'am.
No, I'm sorry, Mamta ma'am. I'll lower down. It was initial for
Okay,
initial
okay,
only.
it's okay. So now, coming to our next thing, these frames also I have already spoke about it. Now, few examples of using Jamboards. As ma'am has asked me that can we make prior to the class our Jamboards and then we can give. Yes, I'll give you the examples of that. See, I have inserted and tried to pick up different topics from for different subjects and different grades also. So we'll see to it. The first example, setting backgrounds. Now here I have just taken, just see with what activity I have made. I'll just, background setting I have already told you. This is a worksheet I have put up, like taken from Google only. But I have not inserted it as an image, because when your students are working, we know students will work how they will work, and a student of grade 12 will also work like that only, how the student of grade 1 will work, and he'll distract, or I would say senior students will distract more. Yes, so they can move anybody's image from one place to another or somewhere like that. I have inserted this worksheet as a background. Nobody can move it. Okay. And when you will give it to the student, you are able to write it. I'll just share it, the link. So this is for smaller kids. I have shared the link. Yes, Shalini ma'am? Shalini ma'am? Shalini ma'am, your hand is again raised. Sorry to, because so you can write it with the pen on this. So you try writing it. Very good. Wow, wow, wonderful, wonderful. So this, in this way, students cannot move, and I have created this worksheet before my class, before my this today's session. So you can see when you are using it in separate. Now this link is one. If you will give it to, you can give it to your students separately. You can make multiple copies of it, and you can give separate copies to each and every child of your class, and ask them to write, the child to write the name. So this is one of the activity. I hope you can make this with your classroom experience. Yes, so students, you can give it in any way, and on that
Mukta
time
ma'am,
only. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am, sure.
I
Yes
need
ma'am,
right
please.
now the Mukta ma'am, right now the screen is visible, and on one screen, all as a participant, all the participants are writing and scribbling over the screen. So
Yes,
this will happen in class also, or individual participant will show their work.
individual participants set also, ma'am, I will come to there. Like this is, ma'am, the point is I am telling you what, how you can work on. Okay.
Okay.
That
Okay.
all tools I will tell you how you can ask this child to work collaboratively, and I'll also show you how you can send the link separately to each child.
So that means link will be same for all the children. Suppose we are taking class, and in the
Yes.
chat box we have shared link right now
That
as
link,
you have shared.
this link
So
is,
the
ma'am,
pages
same.
will be different for all individual participants.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am. This link is same.
Okay.
It depends on your work. Now you do not want collaborative work to happen. So you can make here n number of pages. जितने भी आपके बच्चे हैं उनके आप duplicate करके once only you need to make it, and you can assign that roll number wise the student have to work. You can assign that also. That type of work you can assign. So the child will be working on this, and whatsoever roll number you have given, and any number of frames you can insert. First option is this. Now
Okay.
I'll and then if you want to ask them to do collaborative work, then you can do as we are doing. You can ask them that you can give only A and ask them to write it in this way. Second option is this. So it depends on what you want. I will also show you how you can give different links to different students.
For example, if we have shared a page,
Yes.
and we have given a map like one sheet, and then we'll ask a location over there
Yes.
to locate. So
I'll
different
just
children
come to-
can locate on that.
I'll just come to the map also. This is the second activity which I have already made for you. So I'm closing the first this is the second activity. Label the map. So this is also, I have just copied a map from Google and inserted it as a background so that nobody can shift it. And then this is, I have inserted just the arrow. Now this also you can have it work as in collaborative activity, that you give them that whatever I have taught in the class, mark. So at least every child is marking one thing or the other, but it can work as in your collaborative activity. Or
Ma'am, we can't see your screen.
I am so sorry. Just 1 second, please. Give me 1 minute. I'm so sorry.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Is it visible now? Sorry for that.
I have one.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, it is.
So this is,
I have one query.
yes, please.
Ma'am, as you said, we can create.
Yes,
different-
ma'am.
Excuse me.
Yes.
We can create a duplicate frame. So can
Yes.
we give each child's name to that frame?
Yes. No, the heading of this is one only. The name of the jam will remain one only.
Okay. No. For
Okay.
individual child to work on each frame.
Let's suppose I'll just tell you. I'll just show you. This is the image I have inserted. Yes. Now I'll give here a sticky note and I will say here this jam Mukta will work. Fine. Now I have placed here second jam and I am saying that on this jam Vandana will work. Yes, like this you can give different frames here.
Mukta ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mukta ma'am, like you said that we can assign different names to different children, right? So ma'am, like you made 2 frames, Mukta and Vandana. So can
Yes.
Vandana also do some mischievous thing on Mukta's frame?
Yes.
So ma'am, this will be very.
Yes.
I mean,
Yes. So it is, ma'am, actually that is what I'm saying. I am telling you what are the possible ways in which you can make your class interactive.
No, like if we
Yes.
think, matlab, from
Yes,
students'
yes,
mind, they will be
yes,
doing this in
definitely.
the class, so it will be
Definitely,
pure.
they do. They also do that thing ki one child has written and other has erased it. That
Erased.
also
Yes,
is
yes,
happening.
yes.
That also
Right,
it
right.
So
happens. These
is there
things we
any
have
such
to.
setting, ma'am? Is there any such setting where we can stop children
No,
from doing?
no. This is not the setting. You can give them separate jams thing. If you are giving one link and another option, I'm just coming to one more option, we can have it. But if we are giving the one link only, then there is no setting. Otherwise, the next option, I'm just coming to that. Let me just have another option like whatever we can give. Now this is also the label option, like the another example which I have taken it. Label the cell, and this you can use it for explaining. I've just inserted from Google. Yes, and these 1 2 3 4, and you can insert it as a label. Yes.
So you had inserted the image from the Google, right?
I have inserted the image to just show them before the student will work, and then I can have an interactive class. Okay, beta, just tell me which is this number one, and then
So they
either
can pick up that box and then write it.
either if you are not sharing, this is for the teaching purpose also. Now, I'm not sharing the link with you. I'm not sharing the link with the students. I'm just teaching you that this is what.
Orally they can be engaged. Like
Yes,
this.
orally they can be engaged in this. So no, I will write now. I will ask them like हम oral हम questions पूछते हैं बच्चों से. So beta, who will tell me the first this? What is this? So any science teacher, please. I don't know what is the answer of this, but I just picked it up. So whatever is there, you can
Ma'am,
just
2 is nucleus. I don't know about 1, but 2 is nucleus.
science teachers, please go ahead and speak up. Okay, so this is
One is
just
cytoplasm.
my
Ma'am,
part.
third one is plasma membrane.
Okay, thank you, Banda ma'am. Thank you, Banda ma'am. So
Good bunch of students.
This is the beauty. So now the child has answered, and I can write it as a teacher. So this is the activity which we can do. Okay, one more activity I have planned for you is like I am just showing you the different ways in which you can use these jumps. Now, what is this? Differentiation. I've just put a beautiful background so that students loved it. Just written, what are the differentiation between animal cell, plant cell? Yes, and sharing the screen, write it. Open questions. We are not taking test. Ramsar has also open questions. Just write. What are the differentiation between animal cell, plant cell? This is first one is for the animal cell. Second one is for the plant cell. So join and start writing. Animal cell, plant cell with sticky note. Just small. Or with text box, you can write. So we can give such activities to students, and believe me, students love it. It's that key that I have picked up some options which very good. Somebody wrote no idea. So I have just taken these, inserted this background from Google, and then took these two circles, animal cell, plant cell, so we can give it in any way. Next type of question, differentiation. Whatever differentiation, छोटी क्लासेस में हम पढ़ा रहे हैं एनिमल लाइक वो क्या होता है वो herbivores and like carnivorous. So you can give them, you can ask them to insert pictures, and then you can see everybody will insert the different picture. Then you can see that the students are giving the correct answer or not. Formative assessments, we are doing every day formative assessments like this. So this is See, exploration is your. I can just give you some ideas that what all things you can do. Yes, you can even make this thing in any of the poster making like software, Word pay, Google Slides pay, presentation pay. You can make this circles, etc. Background, beautiful deke, and then you can upload it as a background.
Ma'am, one more query. So
Yes,
right now we are working on this, so we can only insert on this one. So we can't. If you had given us a link for the earlier ones, so no longer insertion on the
Actually,
earlier
I
ones
have
is
closed
possible.
that. Actually, no.
Also.
If you can work on that also, I have given that you the options of that, but it will not be visible because I have closed that. You
Okay.
can work on that. It's
So
not that,
how
that
do
you can.
how as a teacher do I close it?
Just I have closed the cross button on top.
Oh, simple.
That's a
So
simple.
that's
The
it.
tab. Yes.
The tab is closed.
The tab.
So
The
it
tab
may
is
have
closed.
been inserted, but I won't be able to see it now, even if it was
Yes.
in the.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
See, this is a thank
So-
you, but this
so
is a
this
very
is-
simple session, but it is a more useful session because you're giving us actually hands-on tip of how to use it and answering all our smaller queries.
And the last thing of today's session is how I can use, if you are using Google Classroom. If you are using Google Classroom, so just we can give, ma'am has posted the attendance form, so you can fill up the attendance form, and after that you can just get the like your certificate also. Now this is the last thing which I am just telling you, as ma'am has asked me that, ma'am, how we can give to different students some work. So this is that how we can give different students work. If you are using Google Classroom, this is the option of Google Classroom. I'm telling you, we have the create option, and I'm giving you the assignment that whatever.
We are not
see
able
your
to see
screen.
anything. We are not
can't
able to see anything. We can, yeah.
It just takes
Now it is there. Now
okay,
it is
it just takes. So this is, I'll just share it once again. This is my Google Classroom. So here, create, and I have clicked over assignment, and I have given the option of, let's suppose, plant cell and animal cell only I will give. So this is for those who are using Google Classroom. Now I can click over add and a link. So the link I have posted here, and this is the option. In Google Classroom, we have three options. Students can view file. We don't want it. Students can edit file. What we are doing right now, that we are editing our file. But the third option says make a copy for each student. So this will make, you have inserted one jam, one link, but from the student perspective, it will go separate copies of that. And then you can assign it to the student, and it will go to your students.
Oh, great.
So in this way, using Google Classroom, you can work it as
Mukta ma'am,
like-
can you repeat this thing last time once more, please? This
Yes,
last one?
sure, ma'am. This is Google Classroom, as we are working on Google Classroom. So create assignment, and I have just clicked over any assignment I have just made. Let's suppose this only plant cell and animal cell wala differentiation. I'm just writing plant cell versus animal cell, and then click on add. Yes, recordings will be there, and it will be shared in your. Now I have clicked the link which I have copied into your chat box. I have pasted that link here, add link, and make a copy for each student, and we assign it.
Now the student can do separate work. They cannot
Yes.
interfere in each other's work.
Yes. This
And
is the facility of which Google has given in with Google Classroom. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, we have been teaching from long and बहुत सारे हमारे पास जैम बोर्ड्स इकट्ठे हो गए how to delete or remove them?
How to delete Jamboards? You can, if you have it in your if you can delete it from here.
Where they automatically get saved?
Drive, in your drive of your Gmail ID with which it is you have given it.
Okay.
You can search with the name. You can search with the name, and you can click over here and delete the options, or you can go to the drive option and you can delete it from there.
Ma'am, just like in a classroom, Google Classroom, we have archived the lessons or the
Yes.
archive the whole class is there. So
Yes,
is there any
yes.
procedure for archive this Jamboards also? Archiving it?
No. It will be in your drive. It's like we have our Word files, Excel files in our drive, or Docs files, Sheets files. Archiving option is not there, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So,
Really good session.
thank you. Thanks a lot. And any other questions you can ask me right now. We 2-3 minutes are left for the sessions to get over. And thanks for attending the sessions. And I love the way you all have interacted. I hope you have taken something from today's session, devoting 1 hour with me. And I'll try to give more and more of such type of sessions in my GEG next coming sessions.
Thank you so much, Mukta ma'am. Really very thankful for this engaging and this learning platform you have shared here.
And ma'am, I'd like to add on to that by saying that it's better to keep a very small, aspiration and learn that well. And that was the good part of this session. We've attended many Google sessions, but the good part was the fact that we learned actually how to master this one, and before moving on to many other small bits, palatable in small bits. That was a very nice part.
Taking up small
Thank you so
things
much.
is wonderful.
Yes, I know.
Thanks a lot.
And,
that is the
being
only
so
reason.
extremely patient with all of us. Thank you so
ma'am,
much.
Yes, exactly. That's what I really wanted to add, ma'am. That you were too patientful and
Patient in
solving
spite
all
of
the
us.
queries side by side.
I know, in spite of the fact that we almost asked everything 3 times. But
Yes,
even then.
exactly. And
So,
very
thank you so
patientfully you
much.
answered all our queries. Thank you so much,
Thanks a
Mukta
lot.
ma'am.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. And please fill the attendance form so that you will get the work.
Already
attendance.
received it, ma'am. It was pretty quick.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I would like
Thank
to
you
say-
so much.
Mukta ma'am.
Thank you.
Please
Thank
keep
you.
us informed.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
And we would like to join many more. Is there any way of joining GEG Ghaziabad?
Yes. I'll be sharing you the registration forms with you. So you have joined. You have joined any of my social
quite a few.
networking? No, social networking. Any
No,
of my social.
No, none of yours.
Kindly
I'm in
send
other
me-
GEG groups, but not this
Kindly
one.
send me your message. I'll just.
So where do I send it, and how do I send it?
I'll send mine. You pin me.
Okay.
I'll send mine because I'll join you and I'll send you. You can share your email IDs also.
Okay. So should I send it? Should I share it right away?
If you want, you can share it right away.
fine.
Otherwise, you can send it on my mobile phone.
Oh, great. Okay. Got
So
it.
this is, I have given my mobile phone, my number, WhatsApp number. So I'll be add you to my GEG Ghaziabad the WhatsApp group and Facebooks and all the social medias. I'll give it to you.
Okay. Right. That's
And-
great.
And we have a Google group also of emails, so that we can whenever, if you will join that group, if you will give me your email ID.
I'm already there on the group on the Telegram. That's where I get the message from. Is that good enough?
Okay. Yes. But if you will, ma'am, if you will join my Google group, then all the recordings will be sent to you on your email IDs.
Okay.
I'll
I'll just send a message to you, and
Yes,
immediately
sure.
we'll get.
Sure. Yes,
get in
ma'am.
touch.
Please.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, please. We can switch off the recording.
Mukta ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Varsha, ma'am, please switch off the recording so we can have.
Mukta ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Thank you for such a lovely session. I would